Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we're learning how to check how much memory you have your graphics card. I mean dedicated graphics card. Okay, there is multiple way to check that. I'm showing the simplest way. You can simply and also you can I'll tell you, and my laptop is Dell Precision 7740. I'm running on currently Windows 11. Okay, just open your start menu, then go to search bar, then search about task manager, then you can see task manager application, open that. Okay, then you can see two tabs here. First one is process, second one is performance. Click on performance, then you can see there is multiple GPU. First one is internal GPU, second one is dedicated graphics card. So click on that, then you can see here I'm using NVIDIA Code Row RTX 5000 and it's have 16 GB GP memory. So in this way you can easily identify how much your graphics memory. Okay, you can see here GP memory total 31.8 GB. Okay, and you can click here, there is a GPU, another GPU. It is called Intel R UHD graphics 630 and it's have shared GP memory of 15.8 GB. So that's guys, in this way you can easily identify how much how much memory have your graphics card. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of PC or Mac tutorials, just comment below. I will post my replays as videos so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.